any heavy components on the car, I need to take it off the jig, so therefore the next job to do is to make the sill stands, which the car will be on once it's off the jig. I'm going to use the remaining 45mm CDS tube to make the stands, and the pins are going to be 20mm CDS with 3mm wool. I will most likely sleeve the pins to make them stronger. The only thing left to do now is to make the feet. What I've just used to stop debris coming inside the roof scoop is mosquito net. I've used 3 layers of the netting, so it actually stops rain a little bit as well, but it's mainly just to stop the vent housing from filling up with leaves and things like that. So this roof scoop is a 3R Design product. They're a UK company, they're just getting into the rallying scene. So if you want anything that's been made more locally, then I highly recommend them. I'll put them in the description box below, put a link for their products. They sell on eBay. I'd imagine they have their own store as well. But yeah, nice quality components, really lightweight, and they come in a variety of colours. They were kind enough to sort me out with a white one especially, so yeah, I'm very happy with what they've done.